Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiplication of fractions, part 1. Multiplying fractions is a routine procedure. It involves multiplying the numerators together, followed by multiplication of the denominators. Simplification, where required, is carried out. Example 1. 2 over 3 times 4 over 5. If we multiply the two numerators together, we get 2 times 4. If we multiply the two denominators together, we get 3 times 5, which is there. 2 4s are 8, 3 5s are 15, so the answer is 8 over 15. Example 2, 3 times 2 over 7. Change the 3 to 3 over 1, so you have a numerator and a denominator. 3 2s are 6, 1 times 7 is 7, so the answer is 6 over 7. Example 3, 2 over 5 times 3 over 4. 2 times 3 is 6, 5 times 4 is 20, that gives you 6 over 20. Since they are both even numbers, divide each of them by 2. 6 divided by 2 gives you 3. 20 divided by 2 gives you 10. So the answer is 3 over 10. Example 4. 2 over 3 times 4 over 5 times 1 over 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 1s are 8. 3 5s are 15, 15 times 6 is 90. 8 over 90, they are both even numbers, so divide each of them by 2, that gives you 4 over 45. Example 5, we're multiplying two mixed fractions together. I prefer to change each of them to improper fractions. So that's exactly what I've done here. So 1 1/3 is 4 over 3. 2 1/5 is 11 over 5. I'm sure you remember 3 1s are 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 over 3. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 over 5. 4 11s are 44, 3 5s are 15. 15 into 44 goes twice, with a remainder of 14, so it's 2 and 14 over 15. Example 6, we're multiplying those four numbers together. There are some whole numbers here and some fractions. Change the 2 to 2 over 1, change the 3 to 3 over 1, so you have numerators all along and denominators all along. Twice 2 are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 1s are 12. 1 times 5 is 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, so you have 12 over 20. If you divide numerator and denominator by 4, 12 divided by 4 gives you 3, 20 divided by 4 gives you 5, so the answer is 3 over 5. Example 7. We have 3 mixed fractions multiplied together. I have converted each of them to improper fractions. I'm sure you can do that by now. When you multiply those 3 numerators together, you get 360. When you multiply the 3 denominators together, you get 24. If you divide top and bottom by 8, 360 divided by 8 gives you 45, 24 divided by 8 gives you 3, 3 into 45 goes 15. Example 8, you change the 3 to 3 over 1, that remains 2 over 5, and 1 1/4 becomes 5 over 4. 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30, so there's your 30. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 fours are 20. There's the 20. Divide top and bottom by 10. That gives you 3 over 2, which becomes 1.5. Example 9. We can see here 2 3s are 6. So just make that 6 over 1. And you change 2 1/3 to 7 over 3. 6 7s are 42. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 into 42 goes 14. Example 10, we multiply those mixed fractions together, change each of them to improper fractions. When you multiply those numerators together, you get 648. Multiply those denominators together, you get 120. Divide top and bottom by 4, that gives you 162 over 30. Divide top and bottom by 2, that gives you 81 over 15. Divide top and bottom by 3, that gives you 27 over 5. And 27 over 5 is 5 2/5. And that's how you do those sums. And you can see they're quite straightforward if you know your tables very well.